How's it going, everyone? So in this video, I'm going to do how to get rid of body acne scars step by step. So before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I do appreciate the support. It helps my channel grow. Please follow me on Instagram, Dylanberg999. I'm going to show you guys, look in this area right here. So above my eyes, look where my eyes are, and look in this area right here. See if you guys can notice a scar. So I'll move my head a couple times. See if you guys notice a scar at all. And I always show you guys this because you never can see a scar because I have removed my body acne scars. Now I'm going to show you another scar on my hand that you can see a little bit. It's right here. You guys see that little scar right there? This is actually really good because the scar used to be about this long on my hand. And now you can just see this little tiny little scar. And again, it was about this on my hand. So I'm still working on this a little bit. I have a feeling it will get a little bit better still, but still, that's not too bad. Just having that little scar right there compared to what it was before. Here's what I did. First tip that I do is scar cream. You can go to the pharmacies, the stores. There are creams that you can buy. They're called scar creams, or they're meant for scars. A lot of them are really just moisturizers with some other things added in, but they're good for your skin health. So I recommend getting that scar cream. Then before going to bed, I recommend applying a moisturizer to the hand or wherever the acne scar is. This is very important because the moisturizers will help to strengthen the skin back up. It's going to make the skin smoother and it's going to make it look nicer too. So it will help to get rid of the scars. And again, I had a really bad scar on my face. You cannot notice it because I've gotten rid of it. And again, I've had a scar here as well, and I got rid of it pretty good. So that's what I recommend to do, you guys. You can try apple cider vinegar. A lot of people recommend it. I tried it myself. I think it works quite well. Personally, though, I would do the scar cream and the moisturizer first, but you can definitely try the apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar, I think it would work really well too. So end of video. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already.